people, hello, it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here today with a special little surprise from Softflex. This is the one that Winter was trying to open, and I told her they said we had to wait till the 28th. So this one says tea time on it, which is super cute. It's got a super cute little sticker. So we shall see what old Softflex has to tell us today. If you're not aware, Softflex is a company based out of California, and they are making all the wire and the things and the stuff. They also do these design kits, and you can grab them up on their website. Their website is softflexcompany.com. There it is. Boop, boop. I will put that down in the description as well. So without further ado, let's jump down to the mat, get this party started. Alright guys, here we are down on the mat. The name of this box is called Special Tea, and excuse me, this is a Special Tea Design Challenge Kit. So they're releasing this kit. I believe it's going to be live on the 28th of February. So that means from the 28th of February until about March 25th, you can post your makings with this kit. You can post them on Softflex's Facebook page and enter to win with the hashtag tea. So you're basically entering to win a future kit. The winner's chosen at random, so anybody who participates could possibly win. Here is, excuse me, here is their website if you want to give them a look-see. Now, I have not been on there today. I don't know if they have any of this kit left, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. I assume that they probably do. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they sold out. Okay, so other fun facts. If you're unaware, for this kit challenge, they usually, they sent actual tea. Fun. They usually will couple with Jesse James beads. So we'll see if they did that this time. I assume they probably did. It looks like they have sent us some organic peppermint tea. This is from the organic store. I can tell by the wrapping. There we go. So we'll have a little tea with our business here. Maybe not today, but maybe some other day. Let's just jump right into it, huh? Alright, so here is our design elements. This is the Jesse James portion of this bundle, so we're going to go ahead and put this to the side for now. We'll take a more in-depth look at it. Okay, so here we go. Oh, tangled up. Looks like I got some tiles. Those are quite smashing. Those are double drilled. Got that creme brulee going on. Got some fire polish here, some larger fire polish in gold. It's pretty snazzy. Like that. And then we have these guys. Now these guys are looking pretty familiar from, I want to say, a Gingerbread Man. I think we did go ahead and use these. I think I've already done a project with these. I feel like I've done a project with these. Anyways, so we got those guys. Large hole. They have sent some signature Softflex beading wire. This color is called Bone, which I quite enjoy. This is a medium Softflex beading wire. The diameter on this is it's 0.48 millimeters. There's 10 feet on this roll. Okay, so we love that for us. Then we have some other business here. What is this business? Oh, might have to look at the box. Might have to look at the sheet, figure out what's going on here. Are these buttons? What are these? Oh my, they're interesting. They're interesting. Let me see if I can't get it to focus here. It's like, no. Look at this. What's that? What is that? Alright, we've got these guys, we've got these guys. I'm going to have to take a look. I will do that after we do this part. Oh, I got some crimp tubes. So you're going to want to use size 2 crimp tubes. Woo. Size 2 crimp tubes, which they have provided on your medium soft flex beading wire. Love that for us. Get out of here, staple. I am brave, fearless, and strong. So fun facts, I actually have a number of these in my personal stash. These were, I don't remember who exactly, but remember when Hobby Lobby had that line and they were doing like Green Girl Studios and Electrica and Candy Cooper and all that, and they had that line in their store. This is part of that. So I have seen this before. It's cute for the spoon portion. We've got some findings as we normally have because they say that you can use this kit right out of the box, right? So silver. I love that. We're moving back into a silver. I love that for me. Just saying. All right, let me look at this list real quick. Okay, so it says we have the bone wire, we have the 2x2 crimps, we have the silver plated earring wires, the lobster clasp, 6mm silver open jump rings, 7mm gold check glass fire polish beads, brown ceramic beads, Jesse James bead mix, check glass piggy beads, cream check glass button mold beads, 2-hole tile beads, and the brave spoon. Okay. So these must be the piggy beads. Is it because they have a piggy snout? Is it because they look like a piggy snout? I don't know. Your girl needs help! Do they piggyback on one another? I'm not sure. I don't know, but we'll figure it out. So this is the soft flex portion. Now we're going to move into the special design elements. So these special design elements you can only get, I'm saying special because it says it right there, specialty. So you can only get these from Softflex or in the Design Challenge Kit. So that's the dealio with that. They're generally a special mix just created for this bundle. Alright, so we got some roses. We've got some cage beads. Nothing in the cages. We've got a few large hole metal beads. Okay. We have some larger crystals. Oh. Some larger brown crystals. I will say that mine are a little bit beat up. I've got a cracked hole on one side and a bunch of scratching, but that's kind of the gist when they put them in these bags. I mean, oh, because these are metal, they put them in here with these metal beads. That was probably part of it. Generally glass and metal, not a good plan. These are heavy. I do like these. But yeah, I mean these are hefty. Like this is a hefty. So that's probably what happened there. Hopefully these ones are in a little better shape. These ones are interesting looking. We got these two kind of twisted shapes. These ones look to be in a little bit better shape than the other. So that is good. The hole is still a little bit chipped up on this one, but hopefully we will be able to wrap our way out of that. Okay. Then we've got these guys, more cage beads, more stuff inside of the cages. Jingle jangle. Got some glass. We've got some more glass. These are got a pearl finish on them. And a few spacers, a few sparkly spacers, got a few cubes. Okay. So that, my friends, is what we are looking at with this special tea time bundle from Softflex. So, what we will, I have to I have to gear up my tea here. Get my tea going. I gotta figure out what these piggyback beads do. Is that all it says? That's the wrong one. It says check glass piggy beads. Okay. So research is required, I think, on that. I don't know if they string them and they like stack together weird or something's happening. Is this like a bead weaving endeavors I don't know about? I mean, all things are possible. Right? All things are possible. So anyways, this is a cute little mix from Softflex. So there you go. This is a special tea. So now I will do a project with this bead kit. I'm not going to do it in this video. It'll be a separate video, but I will do a project with this. So there you go. I hope you guys are enjoying this kit. Enjoyed the unboxing, and I hope you're having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day. Please make sure to check out the comment section. Yeah, check out the comment section, but also check out the description of this video where I'll be linking everything, all the links and stuff over to Softflex, and yeah, if I find any information about piggy beads, I'll put that down there as well. Let me know in the comments if you've used piggy beads in the past. I have questions about the piggy beads. Okay? Okay. Okay. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.